Hey, it's Cheryl Janine, and today is day 2 of the 30-day blueprint to launch your business. Make sure you subscribe so you'll be notified when I do more videos. Today we're talking about choosing a profitable niche. Now, the niche that you choose is one of the most important decisions you can make, even more so than the business model itself. And this is because you need to have some type of passion and knowledge to make things work in your favor when it comes to attracting your target audience. Now, I'm not a person that's going to be big on passion, like saying you have to be so passionate about something. You don't, but you need to have some type of interest in it, because that way you'll stick with it for the long haul. And speaking of the long haul, think about something that you can continue to build on long term. The important thing when you're first starting out is to choose a lane and build your personal brand in that particular lane. This is the secret of network marketers. This is how they can be in one company, and if they leave that company and go into another company, people will follow them into the other company because they have already built their personal brand. So you want to be super excited about your niche, okay, whatever subject you choose, because your leadership is going to come across as genuine and people will be able to trust you, trust your recommendations, and ultimately buy from you. That's how you're going to build your know, like, and trust factor. Now, if you choose something just because somebody said, oh, this is a good one, it's going to make you a lot of money, then you might get bored with that and throw in the towel before anything really happens. And so you spend all this time trying to build and grow your audience, and it's wasted time because now you don't want to do it anymore. Now, you may have some ideas in mind already, but if you need to choose a niche, start with your most basic interests, even if you're not engaging in them right now. Remember, the best leaders are the ones who show their own journey in something, so it's okay if you're starting out in something new. As a service-based provider, I can tell you that the top subjects are health, wealth, relationships, personal development, and spirituality, but there are a ton of different niches out there that you can choose from. There's anti-aging, there's gardening, there's knitting, golfing, all the things, right? It's so many different things, and you don't have to be a 10-year veteran in any of these. Just share what you know, keep learning, and you can help somebody else have success in the same area. Remember, there's always somebody coming up behind you that can benefit from what you already know. Now, your action step for today is to choose your niche. I'm going to link a video that I did on market research so you can see how to do that to figure out what's profitable. We're also going to use ChatGPT and get some ideas as well. So let's head over there and do that now. Okay, so now we have a prompt that we can copy and paste into ChatGPT. It says, I want to start an online business in the beauty niche, specifically for skincare. What are some services, products, and content you can give me to get up and running? I also need a detailed outline of how to build my audience for this business. So we're just going to highlight all of this and go over to ChatGPT and paste it in. And we're going to give it some time to pull up all our details so we have a better idea of what we need to do. Now it's going to tell us how to get started with our business, what services, products, and content ideas they have for us. This is what we asked for, and this is what it's giving us. And it's giving us some really great ideas here. So you want to take a look at the list, whatever comes up for you. As we scroll down, we're going to go into building our audience and community, that type of thing. And it's giving us phases, weeks 1 through 4, weeks 5 through 8. It's giving us about 3 months worth of stuff that we can do. And last but not least, it's going to give us some next steps. So we have a detailed outline, and we even have some next steps. There you have your mini lesson for how to use ChatGPT with this. Make sure you are taking out the beauty part and put in your own keywords, your subject right there, so it can give you details for your own niche. All right, so do this. That's your action step for today, and then I will see you for tomorrow's lesson.